gold and silver after dropping sharp towards the support levels. I have mentioned very clearly why 2590 is a very good support for gold, and we have seen a very good recovery so far for gold. And silver likewise dropping towards the lows at 3020 has now recovered towards 31. Can we expect that metals are going to rise today? Important day, the inflation data from the US is going to add to the volatility. Which direction it is going to trade, whether the prices have bottomed and should you buy, or we are looking forward to a crash again. What is going to be our strategy today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can trade with logic, trade with confidence, and trade with profits. And this is the only channel to give you two updates a day. The next update for gold and silver will be released before the inflation data release today, before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Just subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First gold, followed with silver. Watch to see what's happening on the hourly charts. Here is a bit of consolidation. Remember what has happened here. Till here it was forming lower lows, lower highs, and now then you can see it has formed a very good support at 2600, trying to bounce back. Very important for it to break beyond now 2620, 2625 zone. Once gold trades about 2620, 2625, you can say we are looking forward to a recovery towards 2640. In fact, 2652 and 60 is also possible, but right now I can see a bit of hesitation here. If you divide this into two, you can find out a good support is created, couple of bullish candles erase the losses from these two candles. Now it is important for it to break beyond this top, that is 2620, 2625. Very important levels here. Also look at the last two candles. It is finding a support from the 20 period moving average, which is now started to converge. So this appears that gold has started to retrace here, and just be cautious till towards 2625, which is going to be a major hurdle for the day. Stochastic near to overbought levels. While look at MACD, I have mentioned here itself yesterday. See, look at the rise, then the retracement. Now it has bottomed again and is looking upwards. And now it appears that see, the slope here is also now gaining traction. Means there is a possibility of a further rise, and we can expect more bullish candles from the current levels. RSI has also retraced. It has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the 2 hour. Look at the 2 hour charts, draw pattern here. You will find out, see, lower lows, lower highs. Where are the highs of this channel? Towards 2660. And the reversal confirmation is only and only if it breaks beyond 2700, 2750, which I think it is going to be difficult. If you track the movement here, drop, consolidation, drop, retracement, drop, and it is starting to retrace. Now retrace means the possibility is high. The more time it spends here means the lower the levels are going to be, but still the probability towards 2640, 50 exists. Also look at the last few candles. Though right now, see, divide this into two, you will find a symmetry here. Also higher lows are seen. That is also a very good indication that the prices appears to have stabilized and now are looking forward to a breakout. But ideally we have to wait for it to break beyond 2620, 2625 zone. That will be the confirmation of a further up move. Till 2625 we should be very cautious and alert with the price rise here. The stochastic is rising, good sign for the bulls. The MACD also has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, just 3 candles away. It suggests that a double bottom is done and we can look forward to a recovery from here. Possibility is very high. The RSI has also come out of the oversold zone, again a good indication. On the 3 hour chart, similar formation here. Very good base is created. See, the stronger the base, the taller the building. Now at this point also I have mentioned that the stronger the base, the taller the building. Now this is getting replicated here as well. Just we have to wait for a little breakout. Now see, the 3 hour charts, the candle has just started, higher highs are seen, and now if you see it is staying about 2615, you can buy here. Expect 2618, 20 and 2625, 26 as the two resistances. If it breaks beyond this, certainly we are looking forward to a greater up move here. The stochastic is also rising, while the MACD here also have formed a double bottom and just have crossed over. So this crossover is looking forward to, is suggestive of a further rise. See, first green candle, so there could be series of greener candles from here, which means we can say that gold might try to stay in an upward trajectory. The RSI is also come out of the oversold zone here. On the 4-hour chart, see after a bit of consolidation, lower highs are seen here, waiting for a breakout here. I think 26.15 is going to be a very good level for you to take a position here, and then wait for 26.25 to be taken. Beyond this, we can look forward to a very, very good recovery. It is possible that gold might take time till towards the inflation data from US, and with the inflation data, we see a recovery. Now, why we are looking forward to a recovery? See, if you look at the formation, the deeper the drop, the stronger the retracement. The deeper the drop, the stronger should be the retracement. And that is what also confirms that it appears that now gold prices are going to look forward to a little recovery. And this is the zone here at 2640, 2660 is going to be achievable, and it is going to remain a greater resistance zone for further upward movement. So yes, we are looking forward to these levels, but there are greater resistances. You have to trail, and the bullishness will increase once it trades beyond 26, 25, 26, or in fact 26, 30, 32. If these two levels are taken, chances will be very, very high that we are looking at 2640, 2652 zone, or in fact higher. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen the bottom here, trying to converge, trying to cross over. This can lead to reversal, this can lead to further rise. See, already we have seen a greater move here, and thus a little retracement does not mean a reversal, but yes, has to be there in order to continue. Even if it is adopting a downward trend, see, it has to retrace or recover before adopting the main trend again. The RSI is also recovering from the oversold zone. Coming to the now, before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, again, look at the daily charts here. See, first thing is, look at these three candles. Can you see the body size decreasing here? That suggests diminishing bearishness. The next is it was outside Bollinger Bands, and that is what also I say it cannot stretch the drop more, because see, it is completely outside Bollinger Bands. It is putting pressure on the bands to expand. Now the current candle started outside the bands, and it is trying to show a pullback within the bands. Possibility is there that we may see a recovery, but again I am saying you have to stick to the levels till 26, 25, 26 and 26, 30, 32 is not taken. Please note that these are markets. Hitting these levels also, gold can reverse and drop sharp. Again, I am highlighting these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. It shows you a bullishness now, and with the data it can reverse. Thus also it is important for you to watch the next update before the US session. That will give you a fair bit of idea on what to expect for the rest of the day with the US session and with the inflation data. But right now I can sense there could be a little retracement and a rise, and it is possible that 26, 20, 25 or higher levels can be expected. Possibility is very, very high. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is trading with divergence. The MACD is trading with bearishness. The candle sizes are consistently increasing. And see this, what has happened here? It was a smaller rise, a smaller drop, and a recovery. Now this is a bigger drop, so a little recovery cannot be denied here. We are looking forward to it. RSI is already at. Now, considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 26.15 levels. Expect 26.18, 21st and very near resistance. The second one is at 26.25, 26, the second and very, very strong resistance. And then the third one, 26, 30, 32. If these three levels are taken, if you see gold trading above these three levels any point of time, stay bullish for 2660, or not 2660 but 2640 is the first resistance, 2648.52 is the next, and then 2660 levels should appear, which is going to remain a very good resistance, because beyond this there could be a tremendous rise towards 2684 and higher levels. Though I do not expect it to break beyond these levels, however, these are markets, you need to keep an eye on the levels. On the downside now, a selling entry, ideally you have to wait for 25, 95, 98 zone to be taken. But since this is a bit far below levels, you can sell here at 26,0504 levels, expect 2600, 2598 as the first target, 2594.95 as the second, and then 2590 as the third. Any point of time, if you see gold trading below 2590, stay short. We are looking forward to 2584. And remember, below 2584, the next destination is far below at 2560 and 2548 levels. Take your trades accordingly. I do not expect such a greater drop, but yes, a little recovery is what is my expectation. Trade accordingly. Let's move to for silver. What's happening? You should notice that see the two drops here and the recovery here. This is how silver has been trading. Now, a reversal confirmation in silver is only and only if it trades beyond 3150, 3160 levels. These are going to remain the prime resistance levels on the upside for silver. Now, see, it is also seen struggling a bit at $31 levels. So, I will recommend ideally see, because beyond this, the next target is towards 312025 and 3140, which is going to be a very good resistance. Now, I will recommend you to, in fact, buy at 31 itself, but then you have to be a bit cautious till towards 312025 and then 3140 levels, because beyond this, it will be definitely acting more bullish. We can, in fact, expect a move towards $32 levels. Let's have a further look. See, stock I stick back to overbought zone. MACD is rising and the RSI is rising. These two are very good signs. And on the 2 hour, now look at the 2 hour charts here. Look at the formation now. 20 period moving average, which was serving as the resistance till now, is now going to become the support here. And you can also see the median of the Bollinger Bands acting as a support. Now, this is clear. See, first 3080 was the resistance. It has breached 3080, and the zone between 3080 and 3060 is going to remain the prime support here for silver for the day. Also, what is happening, one bullish candle and a medium size candle now, and when the next one appears, possibly we may see a move towards 312025 or in fact 3140, or else because the bullishness is getting diminished, what it may do here is it can retrace here a bit and then later in the day with the news again bounce back up again. Stochastic overbought, the MACD rising here, good sign for the bulls. The RSI is also rising. And on the 3 hour, now on the 3 hour chart, similar formation, higher lows, higher highs. And yes, you can buy here at 31.05. When you see the lower price above 31.05, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 31.20 as the first target. 2025 should be a very good resistance, then 31.40. And if it breaks beyond 31.40, consider that as a reversal sign here. And then we are looking forward to a greater up move. See this. See, it is trading in this bearish channel. It is very, very important for silver to trade beyond 31.2025 and 31.40. That will confirm its next move, which can in fact take it above 32. Stochastic overbought, MACD after forming a bottom rising here, which is a good sign here again for the bulls. And if you look at the RSI, this is rising. On the 4 hour, now this is important on the 4 hour chart. See, moving averages crossing over here. This is a bearish sign. Second thing is, see, whenever it diverges, it moves towards 20 period. The same has happened here and the same is happening here. Now, what has happened once it has moved towards 20 period? If you see similar formation coming in here again, consider that silver is still bearish and it is not willing to go up, and thus it is very, very important for silver to break beyond 31.2025 and 31.40.50 zone. If these two levels are taken, consider that $32 levels is a must today itself. Stochastic rising, the MACD also has bottom, looking forward to a rise. It has just crossed over. It is a good sign for the bulls. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the day. Now look at daily chart. See, diminishing bearishness, reversal sign, and now it is rising. Now this rising candle suggests that it can come at par with this candle, which means it can in fact move towards 31.50.60. And if it trades above 31.50.60, the chances will be high that we are looking forward to a move towards 32. But for this to happen, at least it has to break beyond 31.20.25. Remember, the levels are very strong here, and only if it trades above 31.20.25, we can expect a greater rise here. Till then, you should not be treating this as completely bullish. It can drop again, and in fact, the at par levels at 31.50.60 is going to be the next strongest resistance here. Now on the downside, we know that 3060, 3080, it needs to break below. If it trades below 3060, 3080, then remember 3040, 3020, 30, and then 2975, 2950 are the targets, because this time if it reverses, this time if silver drops, this time if it crashes, it is going to be a very big drop here. Remember, you should note these levels, and that is why I say at least till 3150, 3140 you should not be treating silver as bullish. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, and RSI at bottom. So looking at this, what I will recommend is, I will recommend you to buy here at 3105. When you see the lower levels at 3105, expect 3120-25 as the first target zone, 3140-50 at the next, and if it stays beyond this, I will be largely looking forward to $32 levels today itself. Though it is going to be difficult, 3180 is also one of the resistances here on the upside, and beyond 32, sky is the limit. On the downside, selling entry I will recommend is at 30 3070 levels, below which you can expect 3050, 3040 first target, 3020 next, and then in fact I'll be looking forward to 30 and 2975, 2950. A greater crash can be expected below 3020, $30 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Join the must mentorship batch and join the Signals channel on Telegram. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.